fear and anxiety amongst the people of Pedeng, Kamarkhazan, Akoi in Mapsa city, which falls in Aldona constituency, regarding the operation of the STP plant at Kamarkhazan, which is sought to be operated illegally, which is causing the drying up of wells and sure likelihood of contamination of groundwater, thus rendering groundwater unfit for human consumption and danger of illness. The steps the government proposes to take in this matter.
PW Minister.
STP at Kamarkhazan Mapsa is yet to be commissioned. Very basis of operation of STP is to avoid contamination of groundwater. Since STP is not operational presently, there should be no fear and anxiety of the mind of people as regards to the accept of contamination of groundwater for human consumption. Drying of well is not related to STP.
Honorable Speaker, this very STP in Kamarkhazan, we have got RTI reply. The specific question was whether the above project was granted consent to establish. Establish is the first procedure before you go for operation. And the answer is consent to establish application was rejected. I'm placing this on the floor of the House. I'm giving one copy to the Honorable Minister. If this STP consent to establish was rejected, how is the government going ahead with this STP plant? It will be totally illegal to even continue any works on this when it is application was rejected. Please look at the reply number 1A. Consent to establish application was rejected. They are trying to connect pipes of the houses and all that. I understand the need and necessity, but this is very low lying. Please understand that this, even the pipes which have been laid on the roads, water is bubbling out and coming out like springs. And being low level, it is contaminating the groundwater. Natural water has got inside it. Forget the rainwater, we are talking even before the rain. The natural water has gone into these pipes. That means the piping work is not proper. And if this kind of works are allowed to continue and you allow to STP plant to operate, it will be a disaster over there.
Speaker, sir, I have answered that the plant which was set up, I think many years back, under the JICA project. Now, whether it has got, because your question was not relating to that commission. If you had answered that, I would have put it broad. Now you have just given me something. I'll come back to you and tell you all details whether the STP had a consent to operate or no. Because you have given me right to information, you have given me.
No. My question is very clear, which is sought to be operated illegally.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It is wide enough to say it has
if we have not commissioned the plant, if we have not started the plant.
You can't even, the consent to establish must be to start.
No, that's what I'm saying. So what I'm trying to say.
Commissioning is consent to operate.
Because, sir, what I'm trying to say is this question, the calling attention raised by my colleague, Honorable MLA Carlos Ferreira, which is sought to be operated illegally, is if we started it. We have not started it yet, Speaker, sir. And if it has to be started, we will take all things and to start, Speaker, sir.
I'm just trying to make this clear. Your operation can start when you first have the first step, which is the consent to establish. And then you require consent to operate. It doesn't have the first step, so how can you go to the second step? They already started trial runs. That's what I'm trying to tell.
See, what you have given me under right of information is whether the above project was you have given. Now, it is not specific whether the question you have asked in your RTI and what you have given me in the table of the House. With reference to application hereby, I inform you under whether the above project was. Now, which is the above project? I don't know what is.
I'm making a statement. This is the same Kamarkhazan.
No, you are making a statement. I'm answering on your statement only.
Yeah.
The answer whether the above project was granting step. Now, which is the above? There's nothing here in reference of above.
I can give that.
No, that's not there. That's what I'm saying.
That.
I will examine and come back to you because here, when you are given me something, it is above. Now, what is above the sky?
No, but this is your reply of your department.
I don't know, Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir, I am not aware to what is reply. So what I am saying is, I will examine and come back to you about the consent to operate. That's very simple I have given.